How to add crossplay friends on Hell Let Loose. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to add crossplay friends in Hell Let Loose. Whether you are playing on PlayStation or Xbox, it's quick, easy, and by the end, you'll be ready to join battles with your friends across platforms. Step by step console. Step 1. Enable crossplay. First, make sure crossplay is turned on. From the main menu, go to Settings, then Gameplay, and toggle Crossplay on. This lets you connect with players on other consoles. Step 2. Open Friends menu. Next, open the Friends menu. On your controller, press the button shown on the screen, usually the Menu or Options button. Step 3. Add your friend. Now, select Add Friend. Type your friend's in-game username, not their PlayStation or Xbox gamer tag. Send a friend request and you're done. Step 4. Accept the friend requests. If someone added you, check the Requests tab in the Friends menu. Accept the request and you're now connected. Note for PC players. PC players, crossplay is enabled for matches, but you cannot add console friends directly. To play together, coordinate with your friends and join the same server manually. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to add crossplay friends in Hell Let Loose. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.